government's unprecedented declaration of 24 states of emergency over the period 2018 through 2023 represented a sustained abuse of an extraordinary executive power under the Constitution and a dangerous erosion of the rights and freedoms of the Jamaican people.
With the Jamaica Constabulary Force (JCF) continuing to report a decline in major crimes, in part due to the specific targeting of organized criminal groups, PNP Party President Mark Golding praised the method as a more strategic approach.
It is significant that recent statistics reveal a marked decline in murder rates, which has been accomplished by targeted law enforcement measures without recurring states of emergency. Jamaica's long-term security hinges on appropriate policing strategies, robust democratic institutions, and community-led solutions.
Golding says the court system has proven to people that no one is above the law.
The court's decision reinforces that no government is permitted to suspend freedoms under the guise of public safety without meeting the constitutional safeguards of necessity, proportionality, and parliamentary accountability.